Good evening, everyone. This is Theresa Phillips from Gaithersburg, Maryland. And today, our lesson is going to be how to create a meal from scratch to your table. And what I mean from scratch means something that will be wholesome, something that will be fresh, and something that doesn't come from a box. Yes, we're not doing takeout. So I'm going to share with you and show you how you can prepare a great meal from your refrigerator to your stove and put it on your table so that you can have a cost-effective meal using some of my favorite seasonings from Tastefully Simple. And I hope you enjoy everything. And I will leave great instructions for you on how you will be able to create that same meal from your home. Let's get excited. Okay, we're using Tastefully Simple seasonings on top of these Brussels sprouts. So we have garlic, and the rustic herb, and even a little bit of chai seasoning. Yep. And we have garlic butter on this, and these are going to be our sauté Brussels sprouts. What do you think? Oh my gosh. Here I'm adding the seasonings to my Brussels sprouts. I'm adding citrus herb, garlic, and rustic herb seasoning. Now, you guys, I'm going to make this fabulous, bountiful beer bread from Tastefully Simple. I am pouring a 12-ounce can of beer into my mixing bowl. I want to make sure that I stir for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Not over mixing, but making sure that it has a lumpy consistency. So as you see that I'm stirring with not a plastic, but with a rubber spatula to make sure that I get all of the batter to mix well. All right. Then I'm going to put it inside of a 9x5 baking pan, square baking pan. The sides are buttered. As you can see, I'm making sure that the batter is lumpy enough to pour. Doesn't that look good? Can't wait. Now I'm taking my 9x5 baking bread pan and pouring this batter inside of the baking sheet or pan. Scraping the sides of this bowl to making sure I get all of that loveliness inside of the pan. Then I am going to pour 3 tablespoons of melted butter over the top. Yes, look at that butter. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to put this bread inside of the oven for at least 50 minutes. And I'm going to let it cool when it comes out. And as you can see, the texture of that bread is soft and crumbly, and it's great to eat. You can also cut this bread up and make croutons if you desire. It is great to go with any meal.